Hello friends, today I will share how to grow Tiger Star Sansevieria in your house gardens from leaf cuttings. So you need to choose a mature leaf from your existing plant and place it in a normal well-draining potting soil or a coco peat, because Sansevierias like the soil to be very dry. Okay, so just sprinkle a little water and keep the leaf cutting in a shaded area. So in 10 days time you can see the new roots growing up. So no need to water daily, just sprinkle only when the soil is totally dry. These Sansevierias are very slow growers, so it will take 1 month time for them to grow new pups, means new baby plants from the leaf cuttings. Just sprinkle a little water bi-weekly or once in a month is enough. You can grow this Sansevieria in indoors as well as outdoors. These are NASA recommended air purifying plants suitable to grow in your house gardens. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more videos.